Hi everyone, this is Maria from Spice and Stroll. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. Today I'm taking you downtown to one of Calgary's most iconic spots, the Peace Bridge. Come along and explore with me. On my way to the Peace Bridge now, and I can't get over how nice these flowers look. They're just casually making everything brighter today. You probably already know how much I love nature, flowers, mountain, water, and all things beautiful like this. Honestly, I'm so thankful for all your support. It's funny how sometimes people I don't even know support me more than people I do. It really means a lot, so please keep liking, subscribing, and being awesome. Thank you. You know what's crazy? Most of the people watching my videos aren't even subscribed. And the people who are subscribed, half of them are ghosting me. If you're watching this and enjoying it, hit the subscribe button. It really helps and keep me going and growing. Thank you. Just casually walking through the Peace Bridge, and oh, there's a cowboy in front of me. Yep, Stampede is here, time to mentally prepare for 10 days of Wild West fashion. I really wanted to go to Stampede and make a video for you guys, but it's so overcrowded, people are fainting, and apparently there's even some wild stuff happening, like actual fights and stabbing. So yeah, I picked peace, literally peace bridge over chaos. Okay, just look at this bridge. The water, the buildings, everything is showing off today. There are people rafting, chilling, just living their best summer lives. I'm so glad I stepped out. The view is totally worth it. This is the Peace Bridge, by the way, one of the Calgary most iconic spots. It was designed by a Spanish architect, and yeah, it kinda looks like a giant and twisty tube. But honestly, it becomes such a cool part of the city. People love walking here, taking pics, and just vibing by the river.
Wait up!
Sometimes you don't need a big plan. Just a good walk, some fresh air, and maybe an ice cream to make the day better. You know, this spot always makes me stop and just take it all in. The water flowing, the buildings reaching up, and people doing their things. It's just so fun to watch. Cross the bridge, and now it's like the city opened up. Patches of flower, tall building, and people just flowing through the space like moving art. Everywhere you look, there's something that catches your eye. Look at this view. There is not much to say here. Just beautiful flowers and people enjoying the day. Sometimes it's better to just watch and take it in. I was just walking and filming the vlog, but something else is on my mind. Sometimes I wonder how to really connect with you all, my subscribers. I don't just want views, I want to build something real here. There are so many channels out there, so many voices, so much content you could be watching. But if you're here with me, thank you. I just want to create something simple, calm, something you can watch when you just want to unwind. No heavy talking, no over editing, just real moment like walks, soft visuals, and space to breathe. Food trucks, now that's a vibe. I'm starting to get hungry, so might as well see what's cooking. They have got all kind of burgers, fries, and all the classic you expect from food trucks. And honestly, the smell is amazing. I'm definitely thinking about ordering a burger right now. I just ordered my burger and now I'm waiting for it. Watching the girl making it, there's something kind of satisfying about seeing it all come together fresh. And it was really, really good. I ordered a beef burger with jalapeno poppers. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more peaceful walks and beautiful spots like this. And before you go, here are some pictures from the day. I'll see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye.